Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to update Microsoft Edge to its newest version. For example, if you'd like to fix various performance issues or bugs by uploading the most recently released version of Edge. So let me show you really quickly how to do that. Launch Edge on your laptop or on your PC, and here on the start page, guys, what you will need to do is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that menu to access your browser settings. And here on the left hand side, guys, here in that panel, what you want to do is select the lowermost option, which is about Microsoft Edge here. And after that, Edge will automatically check the version you're currently using. You will see it here, for example. And after that, it will also notify you of any updates that are available for download, and download and install these automatically. So to confirm the installation, guys, of these updates, simply click on Restart here. That is going to restart Microsoft Edge with the most recently or newest released version. So guys, that's it. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.